Pandas. 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 I got broads in the land of twisted dope, lean, and the Fanta. Pandas! Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. I'm glad that you guys are here. We got a big mama setting up here. Right off the morning. I love big mamas triggering during stream. We take them together. We can take them together. Good morning, everybody. Day trading. Good morning, Sonic. Good morning. It's so funny. I gained one. I'm gaining more subs than I am bamboo. Another 1. My sub count is just exploding right now, like thousands per day. It's kind of weird and makes me a little bit confused. I don't know what's happening, but I'm happy. I mean, sub count is whatever. It's not about the sub count. It's about the quality of the stream and the community that is made. Now, isn't that more important? Like, sub count is just, that's superficial. Really what's important is the quality of the content being made here and doing it with the best community on YouTube. That's no cap. Harrison, good morning. Jeff, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. I might as well go over my trades I take off stream. I'm actually trading this account off stream as well. And I'm doing it because now I'm showing you all my trade markers. And since this is a 300K account, we're going to try to get this up here. So these are trades I took on stream. Here's a trade I took off stream and skunked it. Saw a second entry short here. So push down, second entry short off the 20 EMA with a decent signal bar. But ends up being a little bit choppy. I mean, this is first break of trend, looking for a new low. But you see this blue box here. We are hitting the bottom of it, and ends up being a trading range, which generally bad to short at the bottom of trading range. Then we got all this movement up. Nothing to trade here, in my opinion. No setup that I liked. And then we got a big mama that triggered, and I was able to scalp there and was able to make back some of that bamboo that was lost during stream. Skunked this trade. Currently up $95 because I took this failed second entry long and was able to scalp out here. And it was nice. Nice little trade right here off the morning. In the morning. And we did have news at 8:30, so it was not like a huge move, but ends up being a decent move. I feel like nowadays the news has not been as volatile as it used to be. When news hit, like there was a time whenever news hit, it was crazy. Like it was like 100-point candle on the 2000 tick chart, like kind of crazy. Maybe not 100 points, but it was like a 50-point candle. A one candle, and I remember that broke Apex or Rhythmic didn't know what to do, it just completely shattered it. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome, guys. Dante, good morning. FSN, good morning. Richard, good morning. Wayne, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We may be able to start the morning with a nice big mama daily chart. We got a push up here and second entry long. I mean, it's as simple as that. A, B, C, second entry long with the worst possible signal bar ever to exist in mankind. And we triggered a second entry long, and we may continue it. We closed above the 20 MA here. So, I mean, we have a good chance to really push up here. Who knows, though? Who knows? Nobody knows. But we got Big Mama set up. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody. Speedy. Good morning. Traderist Chick. Good morning, guys. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. We're about to begin here with the market open, and we may have a big mama setting up right off the bat. I would love it if we can get it. Then we can get our bamboo today. Hitting this would actually bring me up around, it depends on how far the runners go. If we have good runners here, Make sure these are orders with the runners. It'll bring us up to around 1,125, 7,000, 2,000. I'll be about 3K away from the original account balance. Not too bad. That's not the worst. Not the worst thing ever. And who knows, we might get a nice runner today. An all-day runner, that'd be amazing. That would truly be amazing. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Dante says, change my mind to speed run. No, I haven't. I'm trying to bust this account. I'm just so bad at busting accounts. I just can't do it. I'm still trying to bust this account, but I can't. The market's not allowing me to. My trading is too good. I can't even bust the account if I tried. I just can never do what I actually want to do. That's the whole market. You got to do reverse psychology on it. When you want to lose a trade, the market says, "Nuh-uh, not on my watch." And then makes you win the next like 5 trades in a row. We got a tight bull channel here. I typically don't like taking big mamas when we're like overextended like this. But content. Content. Who knows? We might not even get to it. Whichever way, I'll have big mamas set up either way here. Either continuation of the second entry long on the daily chart or reversal trap trade. Sick. That'd be sick if we saw that on the daily chart. If we saw a trap trade here on the daily chart, I might buy some puts on the SPY. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome, welcome. Make sure you scalp that like button. Helps out this channel a lot. Let's push the algorithm. Manipulate the algorithm. That's the whole point. Let's manipulate the algorithm together, pandas. Alright, we might not get our setup. This may reverse here. Whatever it is, gotta be ready though. Double top perhaps. 10,000 tick chart showing a pretty obvious trading range. Very apparent trading range here. 10,000 tick chart. Good morning, guys. Good morning. All right, pushing down back to the 20 EMA here as we're floating up. I mean, I'll like it if it does trigger just for content, but who knows? We got a channel working up here. 1, 2, 3, 4 hits off of it. We might open near the close, previous day's close. By the way, this is a funded account, fully funded 300K account. We're trading it risk-free right now. Excited to see what happens here. Excited to see how high or how fast I can bust this account. How high I can get the account or how fast I can bust it. Those are my two goals right now. Good morning, my pandas. Hey, drop a GM in the chat if you're just joining. Make sure you scalp that like button as well. If you want to support the channel, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already. I mean, my subscription, might as well subscribe because my subscription count is just blowing up right now. I need I need to show you a chart of my subscription, my subs. If you see it, it doesn't make any sense. It's the biggest jump I've ever had in the lifetime of this. Like if I show you the amount of subs I had in the last week, I've gained about 5,000 subs. No, 6,000 subs. I gained about 6,000 subs in a week. What is happening? What is going on? But pandas, you know what? That's good news for you because we are going to trade. We're going to probably have at least a 20K special if we get to it. I would love to do that with everybody here. Andreas, when you pass the evaluation within the 7 mandatory trading days, do you just trade a micro for the rest of the time? Yes. When we say trade micro, you got to trade literally one micro contract and just get in and out of the contract. And that means literally you just buy and close it. Yeah, my new video blew up, so it is what it is. Good, great. Thanks, everybody. Dante message. Oh, you don't have to fill the contract. I'm not sure what that means. I mean, when you go in and out, you're probably gonna lose like $1. The micro, you lose about like $1 or $2. No, you have to. You buy and sell. So you enter and then you have to sell it. Yeah, and close it. Yes, you have to. You have to trade. You have to be in that trade. All right, pandas. Market's about to open in 1 minute. Let's see if we get a big mama. What a nice way to start the stream if we do get one. Something's wrong here. Harrison says, is there any consistency rule? There's a 30% consistency rule. You can't make more than 30% in 1 day. Has Apex ever enforced that rule? I don't know. But they can. You know, when you sign up, they can do it. Dante Matthews says, how are you able to make a bracket order the other day? NT gets angry when I try it. I'm not sure what you mean by that. Like an ATM strategy? Big Mama worked last after stream. We had a nice Big Mama. This Big Mama here, I was able to take. If you can see my markers, my trade markers. Entered here, exited here. It was nice trade. Beautiful setup. Um, Not sure why that causes problems for you. Maybe because you have too many contracts for your account size. Remember, this is a 300K account. Market just opened, by the way. Second entry long. This is a 300K account, so I have a lot of contracts. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. We're in a second entry long here, but too much overlap. Can't take this trade. A, B, C, second entry long, and triggers and reverses immediately. You can see we're in congestion, and you just got stopped out if you went long right there. It's a bad signal bar. It's not a good trade to take in general.
10,000 tick trap.
Trap, double trap here. But still, about 4 bars overlapping. Cannot take a trade here. Pushing up, that double trap works out to the upside a little bit more. Sitting on my pause, no setups here, quite congested. Today is Friday, so TGIF, thank God it's Friday. So those who are joining, I know some of you guys have to leave at midday, so I'm going to probably announce it a couple of times, but I won't be streaming next week. I'll be away, and I won't be back till June 7th. But, pandas, with that being said, I am considering maybe doing a 24/7 stream completely automated. I basically automated my Big Mama strategy, and I'm going to maybe run it on stream 24/7. And that's because I'm not going to be here, and I'm going to be away. So I might just have it running and just see how it happens. I may trade very small on it, and I'll continue to trade it on this funded account. And so, but it'll be very small. It'll be like basically one contract at a time. Getting a nice push up here, pandas. We may trigger our Big Mama here early in the morning. And so even though I'll be gone, we'll still be trading.
10,000 tick trap.
Yep. And we'll also have a chat enabled so you guys can join in the chat and have a place to come together and just talk about, the charts and talk about whatever you guys want. It's up to you guys. The one bad thing about, actually it's not that bad. JE says, how do you automate trades? With incredible skills. I know Apex does have some rules, but I don't think my strategy is going to break those rules. I think it's like automated trading when it comes to like, I don't know, arbitrage or something. Taking 1,000 trades like every other second or something. I don't know. Pandas, we're about to trigger Big Mama right off the bat here. Let's go, baby. We are in this trade. Strong bull bar. Triggering Big Mama. Continuing that second entry long on the daily chart. It's not looking too hot right now. It is not looking good right now. It looks like it wants to stop me out. The reaction right off of it is not the reaction I'm looking for. But we do trigger it right away. Hold on tight. If this one fails, they're on to us, pandas. If this one fails, they're on to us. The algorithms are on to us, pandas. If this one fails. No. This is not a good look for Big Mamas. Out of the last 5 of them that triggered, I think 3 or 4 of them failed. Looks like this one's about to fail as well. I mean, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look promising here. It'd probably just take me out here. Yeah, really close to taking me out. Takes me out. Does it give me slippage? Okay, no slippage at least. Man, Big Mama failing again. So frustrating. Goes right up to it. Bounces right off. Man, Big Mama is just not a good look. Big Mama, why you gotta embarrass me like that? We may try it again. I mean, if we get to it again, I'm gonna attempt it again. Where are we right now? Wow. Our trend threshold is real close. Really close now. Ooh, if I take Big Mama again, it's it's gonna be very little threshold for it, and it has to like burst through, or this count's gonna get busted here. Why Big Mama is failing so much right now? It's crazy. It's really crazy. The daily chart, huh? Top of the trading range, maybe. Super frustrating. Darn. What can you do? What you can do is try again. My trailing threshold is so small. I have about 700 left. 700 left. It's gonna have to be a really big push here. It has to go right through it.
10,000 tick trap.
We're gonna try it again. But man, if we get like even one, about 1 point drawdown from it, man, that's a really small drawdown. I'm not sure if I can handle it. This might be too much. Might be too much. I gotta go a little bit smaller here. Because the drawdown is, I mean, it has to be perfect. It has to be perfect. Can't have any drawdown whatsoever. And knowing this market, oh, pandas, let's just go for it. Let's do it. I trigger Big Mama again here. This has to be perfect, or this count might get busted here. All right, we just triggered it. It has to be like a really nice push up here. Very little drawdown for us. I mean, it's a make or break right here at this point. Nah, it might take me out here. Darn. Can't, virtually no drawdown here. Virtually no drawdown. Just let it play out. I'm not sure. I don't have enough threshold for this if this draws down a little bit. Darn. All right, we got our Big Mama. Second attempt. Let's go, baby. Still in the game. Still in the game, pandas. We're still in the game. You know what? Maybe I should just always try the second attempt. Second attempt always seems better. First attempt, it's not as sure as a second attempt. Hey, we're still in this, pandas. We are still in this. Let's see how high this runner can go. Hopefully it could be like a forever runner, but we'll see. I would love to see that with 2 contracts. I mean, we have a lot of threshold to cover, so it doesn't matter how much this swings. Like, this can swing like 3,000 points or $3,000, and I will still be completely within my threshold still without it being affected. Pandas! So we got a runner here. Oh, it could be overextended. It might be hitting the top of this channel. If this channel is accurate, could be testing the top of it. We may get a push back down, but it doesn't really matter for us. We're just going to hold this, pandas. We got 2 contracts. Woo-wee! Push! Push! Super Saiyan! We got $1,000 right now on this runner. Pandas. Hey. Pandas. If hey, daily chart. We're just in a second entry long looking for a new high right now. 2 contracts right now. Just blasting through, and I think we're safe here. Like, it might be one of those days where I could legitimately hold this all day. What do I need to get back to break even, pandas? Is that even a question? I need 50 points. Do you think I can get 50 points? Come on, break even. Is that even feasible to anyone's mind? 50 points? Where's 50 points? 50 points, we're at 41.76. 41.76, that's 42.26. Pandas, hey. Hey, we're trying to get break even here. We're going for 50 points here, pandas. We're not going to touch this. Like, I have all, this is all trailing threshold here. So it doesn't even matter if I get stopped out break even at this point, because this is all trailing threshold. We are just fully riding it. Full blown, non-stop. That's it. We're just riding this. We're going to ride this to the heavens. We're looking for a 50-point runner, pandas. Can we get it? 50-point runner? Is that possible? I mean, it can be. If we're in an always in long day today, the daily chart, it will be it will be basically reaching the previous pivot high. Can we do that in one day, pandas? Can we do that on a Friday? Is it even possible? Probably not. The chances are it's probably not. But pandas can dream. Pandas can dream. I mean, we're far away enough from this area where I feel like I can hold this comfortably, and we'll see what happens. We're in Super Saiyan mode. Man, imagine if I held my 10 contracts, just ride it up here. If I swung my 10 contracts, that would have been insane. I should have done it. I should have done an all or nothing trade right there. Trap trade pushing up, continuing. We have no reason to think that this market is going to reverse here. We have zero reason to think. In fact, we think, you know, we should continue to buy into this market. We are always in long trading right now. Super Saiyan. I think 20 points is a pretty good goal to reach, 20 points. And then you can continue to re-enter. But, I mean, 50 points, come on, pandas, this is a dream. It's a dream, 50 points, pandas. Pandas, this is a funded account, don't forget. Whew! I mean, we're pushing up. We have no reason to think that we're going to go short here. This is like one of those always in long days, and it's going to be just a full-blown bull trend the rest of the day. It could be one of those days. And we might have caught it. We might have been able to catch it. I've seen days where we never come back to retest the breaking of Big Mama. Never retest it, just continues to go up rest of the day. Hopefully today is one of those days. Hopefully. We'll see though, pandas. We'll see. Pandas can dream. Pandas can surely dream here. With a 15-point runner, we can at least come out break even from the failed Big Mama. 15-point runner. 15-point runner from here is 91. 1, 2, yeah, 91. We're still Super Saiyan mode. I mean, we have no doubt, we have no reason to think that this is going to go down. We're still full-blown bull trend, and we're in this like channel now on this bull market. Hopefully we don't have like a huge reversal. Hopefully. I may move my stop loss once we get a significant pivot. I'm not going to use this as my pivot because we haven't even tested a 20 MA. Once we test a 20 MA, we create a pivot around that area. I may move my stop loss up to it. I want a significant pivot here. You know, I've seen days where literally, you know, we could just keep going up from here on out and never even testing this area. Not even close. And hopefully today's one of those days. I would love to see that. Where literally you could just buy anywhere today and you'll make money as long as you have a large enough stop loss. We basically tested a 20 MA here and our trend line almost. Virtually tested our trend line here. We can smidge it around a little bit. Play around with it a little bit here. Second entry long here on a strong uptrend. It would suck if we just came all the way back down just to take me out. That would suck. But if it happens, it is what it is. I think 5-minute chart traders are always in long right now. I believe they're buying the close or buying the close here. They bought the close here. As you can see, they are trying to buy the close here. And I hope they continue to buy the close and never stop today. That's what I want to see. I want to see the bears get squeezed all day. And we'll just run our 2 contracts as high as we can. I'm shooting for 50 points because that'll get me back to break even on this account. Which would be insane. Actually, I need more than 50 points. I need 50 points from right here. So, let's just see how far we go. Second entry long for me here. Second entry long. Do I like it? It's a little choppy coming down. I don't know if I like it. The signal bar's not that good either. There's a strong uptrend though. It makes sense to take this second entry long. I just wish I had a better signal bar. The risk is average risk. About 3-point risk. I hate to see this reverse. That'd be such a shame. What a waste. Okay, now your second entry long, has like a even worse signal bar here. Creating dojis, a couple dojis here. I'm still not worried we're gonna reverse here, but I'm not sure if the second entry long will work out. I still believe the 5-minute chart is still always in long. So even if this is kind of reversing here a little bit, I'm not too worried because I feel like the 5-minute traders are buying the close. They're trying to buy the close. It's the second entry long here, but the 20 EMA is starting to go down a little bit. It is second entry long though, but look, it's a limit order market. This is a limit order market here, right? This price action can only happen with limit orders. They're selling at the top and they're buying at the bottom. This is why it's creating this overlap here. We just triggered a second entry long, which is nice, which is really nice for us if you're a bull. Second entry long triggering. Really bad if we reverse here, but we got a second entry long triggering here. I would love to see it. I would love to see it. I would love to see us continue to push up, but because of this limit order market, I'm not looking to go long in the limit order market. It would be terrible if we reverse here.
10,000 tick trap.
I do believe 5 minutes is still always in long though. Yes. 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 Push up. Nice. Oh. Whoo, whoo, whoo. Ah, that's not look good. That's not look good. Ooh, trap reverse triggers. Fail second entry long triggers here. Oh, this could take me out, which would be a shame. I had so much hope for this. I'm thinking 50 points. Obviously a 50-point runner. Obviously, fail trap maybe. Fail trap, but you hate to see the trap trigger ever, right? If you're ever in a second entry long, you never want to see that trap. I think this has more room to go up. A lot more room to go up, to be honest. As long as we can reverse here, but we'll see. Okay, that looks good for the bears. You close red. You're closing bearish. You're closing underneath the 20 EMA now. The nice thing about the tight channel here is that you have protection underneath it as well, right? Support down here. Okay, might be a failed trap. Maybe a double trap here. I mean, you want to see this explode to the upside if we can get it. But now we're having a hard time getting above the 20 EMA. You can see the 20 EMA here. Now we're closing underneath it multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 closes potentially underneath the 20 EMA now. Yikes. Oh no. Oh no. So if you went long here, you may get stopped out now. Right, for those who went the second entry long, may get stopped out here. I'm not looking to short it either though. I mean, I think this is bullish overall. GCS, why don't I just take profits here? Because I want 50 points. That's why. I'm going to use it as a pivot though. I'm going to use this as my next pivot. So if we push up here, nice, Panda. We got a double trap, Pandas. That is probably one of the best setups you can get as a bull. And the fact that this failed to reverse, we are looking good. And I'm glad it's happening way above my entry here. Giving me like a safe spot, right? Giving me some support here. So next time we do come down, we have some support. And we're getting some nice push off here. Pandas. Super Saiyan. That's nice. Pandas. That's exactly what I want to see. Let's go, baby. Push. Push. We just want to see this get to the heavens. We never want to see it to come back to this area. It may not. Notice, Pandas, 5-minute chart, always in long. They bought the close here. They're buying the close here. They're just buying the close everywhere. And that's what we want that to continue. Oh, need some more follow through than that. Need more follow through than that. Give me a bounce off the 20 MA. That'd be a beautiful trade. I may even go long here if we get a trap trade here. But it's starting to turn to a trading range. You can't fool yourself. You have to see the market for what it is. You cannot fool yourself. If you trade this, it'll be a breakout trade. If you go long here, you're looking for a breakout. You know, I can hold 90% of the day because all of this right now. So if you guys don't know how the trailing threshold works, this might be a good time to explain the trailing threshold on Apex, and also telling you why I'm not afraid. If we get huge profits and we come all the way back down break even, it doesn't really matter to me. My trailing threshold's already been shot. So right now my trailing threshold's at 292,500. And nothing will basically affect that until I can get above the original account balance. And that's about $5,000 away, which is 50 points of 2 contracts from here, from this spot. And so I'm not afraid of big swings here. If it goes all the way up, comes all the way back down, stops me out, it's fine because it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter because I'm within my threshold. So if you guys don't know, trailing threshold only gets affected, not only, but it gets affected by your unrealized gains and realized gains. Whatever the highest point your account makes, unrealized or realized, is what your trailing threshold is based off of. So whatever the highest point your account has ever come to, unrealized or realized, you subtract that by your trailing threshold. So right now, I mean, according to this, the top left rhythmic, I've made $0 on this account. Like in my first trade, I didn't even make $1. So my trade threshold was not affected at all. And basically, right when I entered the trade, just reversed on me, and I've been struggling to get back up ever since. And now we are within our trailing threshold, so I can make $3,000 here, and it can come back down and take me out break even, and it wouldn't matter because the trailing threshold is already my trailing threshold won't be affected. We just got a big burst down there, and nice because we got a little wick here. So hopefully we can keep going back up. A little scary, but I'm a brave little panda. I am not worried. We gotta break a trend to new low now. So our downtrend is played out. Trap. Okay, we gotta push up here. I would really like another push up here. I would really like another push up here. I mean, the 5-minute chart, just unfazed right now. It's just always in long still. Do we have news at 10 or something?
10,000 tick trap.
Seems like kind of like news, like price action. Trap, 10,000 tick chart, second entry long. Ooh! I need to push up. Break out of this blue box. I need to break out of this blue box to the upside. It looks strong, pandas. It looks really strong. It looks like it wants to just burst out of here. What can I say? There we go. Strong bull bar. Strong bull bars. Higher low setup might not be that bad. I mean, we're such a strong move up right now. It seems like. 5-minute chart, like I mentioned, always in long. They bought the close here. They bought the close here. They bought the close here. They just continue to buy the close without any regard of any bear lives. Bear lives don't matter here. Pandas, we are rocking and rolling here. I could technically come out break even on my first trade at this point, and it'll be nice. But pandas, hey, for the content, we're gonna hold this. We're gonna hold this, pandas. We're gonna try to get to the heavens. I think we're safe here, pandas. Like, seeing this price action, I just feel like this area is so safe. Like, I don't think we're gonna come back down this area for the rest of the day, which is really good news for me because no matter what, I'm like, I have profits here. I'm gonna gain some profits. I really feel like this area is protected now because of this move down and failed to really reverse. And now we're pushing up. I feel like the 20 EMA is just acting like a rock solid support right now. Pandas. Big mama trades. Hey, not only do they give you nice scalps, give you nice runners too. Let's go, baby. A lot of you guys want just 20 points, huh? That's a 95, or I'm almost there. Okay, pushing down now. It's not what you want to see. Hopefully the 20 EMA can act as some sort of support here. Whoa! Whoa! I may have spoke too soon here, pandas. We may be reversing here. Now we're beneath the 20 EMA. Ooh, that's not good. I don't want this to come and take me out. I really don't want it to. But these sudden movements to the downside are scary. Are so scary. Oh my goodness. It just like bursted down. Are we looking for another push down here? This could stop me out. This could be a strong move back down. Who knows? I hope not. We technically couldn't get back to the bottom of this blue box, which is a good sign for the bulls. But I don't like the strong move down. Like, no one really likes that as a bull. You're thinking maybe always in long is starting to stop. And we may just be going to a trading range now. Whew. Or we can continue to go up forever. Whoa. Which gives us which gives us better content, pandas? Should I just come out, protect my profits, or should we just let this rise? What should we do? Pushing down again. If it's a strong push down, this has a good chance to reverse here. If it's a strong push down. That's a decent bear bar. Decent bear bar. Really strong push down now. Good chance to reverse here. You don't want to see that. You do not want to see that strong bear bar. I don't think this is it, pandas. I thought this was a chosen one. I really thought this was a chosen one. It looks like it's not going to be. It really doesn't look like it anymore. I almost want to just protect my profits here. It's just like scaring me. Every single move down, it's just been these strong bear bars. Like boom, boom. No follow through though. After the strong bear bar, no follow through, which is a really good sign for me. Another failure to reverse here. We make it a fail second entry long here. Nice push up. Let's get back above this blue box, please. Please, let's get back above the blue box. Yes. I mean, strong bear bar, but no follow through, which makes me even more confident of the bull move, because these are failures to reverse here. Hopefully they'll give up soon. Nice strong bull bar with some follow through. Right, the bull bars have follow through. You can see here. These bull bars have follow through. Oh, I don't want to see that. Hate seeing red. Hate seeing red right now. It's a second entry short. It might look for a new low again. Hopefully not. I was hoping it'd be one of those days. It just goes up forever. Never coming back to my entry point. I was hoping it'd be one of those days. So many people want me to get out of this, take my profit, protect my profits. No, thank you. I mean, if you want to hold, you gotta hold. You gotta hold tight. The 10,000 tick chart just looks choppy. I mean, can you get any choppier than that? 10,000 tick charts, complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bars of consolidation. 5-minute chart, about 4 bars sideways movement. Are we still always in long? If we start going back into this wick, yes. But if not, then I don't know. Oh, we do trigger the second entry short, but it might be a trap here. It's above the 20 May. Oh, beautiful. We're pushing up, pandas. If we can endure this, pandas, we can endure anything. Let's go, baby. Push. All right, where's the 20-point mark? I'll mark the 20 points here. 20-point mark is right here. This is a 20-point take profit. I mean, we got to go at least 20 points, right, pandas? Ooh, 4 pushes up. We're still above the 20 MA. It might be one of those another jolt down moves. I hate to see it. Don't reverse on me. Come on. Come on. I mean, we got another push up. We're reversing here, pandas. Every reversal is just like a mini heart attack for me. Oh, I hate to see it. I just hate to see any reversal. Just why? Why? I mean, if you're gonna go up, just go up. Why you gotta just go back and forth right here? Why do you have to be so indecisive? Just move one direction, please. Please. For the stream. Please. Yes. Yes. Up. Up. Only green. I only want to see green bars. Whew. Hey, oh, another trap. The 20 EMA is starting to rise. We're having a hard time closing beneath it. We're bouncing off of it with wicks. Pandas, we may have a super strong push here. Get ready, pandas, for blast off soon. I feel the blast off coming soon. Blast off should come soon. I mean, we're just riding, like we're just gliding above the 20 EMA like this. Usually a good sign for bulls. Like a very good sign for bulls. You can see very clearly people are buying limit orders off the 20 EMA. Whew. This is about to burst. It looks so explosive. It looks so ready to about to burst. Like almost just want to buy here. It looks like it's about to just rip, or not. If this give me a solid bull candle, yes. I mean, this looks bullish. This looks super bullish right now. Like, it looks really bullish. The 5-minute chart did create a wick, but guess what? We're back into the wick. No follow through. We need some more follow through here. We still can't break above this pivot high, which is a problem right now. But pandas, no worries for me. I mean, I feel safe right now. I feel okay. I really do. It might be one of those days. It just really goes up forever. Should we look for 20 points? 20-point profit? There we go. That's what I'm talking about. The big burst. I mentioned it looked like it's gonna blast off, rip to the upside. That's exactly what's happening. It just looked so bullish. It kept rejecting off the 20 EMA, bouncing up, and the 5-minute chart. Even though it had a big wick, we were in the wick. If we reverse down here, then yeah, that's a bad sign. But if it makes a wick and we're back into the wick, it just means we're just retesting it. Pandas, we are in a massive uptrend, and we got 2 contracts just free ride right now. 300K is passed. This is a funded account. Pandas, this is 20-point profit. Should I take the 20-point? A lot of you guys voted just to take a 20-point profit. Hey, we're going to the heavens, pandas. We're going to the heavens right now. We are surely going to the heavens. I'll hold it. I'll hold it to the end of the stream. How about that? The 5-minute traders are still always in long, but right at the close of this bar, they're starting to sell it. We are far away from the 20 EMA, which is nice because I can technically maybe just use the 20 EMA as my stop loss on the 5-minute chart. I could protect my profits by taking 20 EMA, and then I can do like maybe 5 points under the 20 EMA, which is 20 ticks. So I can do like 5 points under the 20 EMA, and I can just ride this all the way up and just let it just go up. Let it just go up. And hopefully it just bounces off every single time it touches the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. That's what we want to see, right? The 5-minute chart, when you have 20 plus bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20 plus bars, the first touch off the 20 EMA, you're expecting to bounce. So such a strong move up. When we do touch the 20 EMA, hopefully 5 points is enough buffer for us where we can just let it ride and let it test the 20 EMA comfortably here if we have to. Or I could take 20-point profit and then just try to re-enter on another big move up. Who knows? 5 minute is always in long. Hey, this is a good place to be, pandas. Super Saiyan! I mean, we're about 15 points already. We're almost at 20-point profit. I mean, that is a feat in itself. Second entry long, perhaps, here. Off the 20 MA. Doesn't quite trigger. We need 2 pullbacks to the 20 MA. Right, we have 1 pullback here. We call this the first entry, right? The entry after the first pullback, that's what we call the first entry. Second pullback. Second pullback happens after the first entry, and then maybe second entry long. I'll tell you this much, I'm able to come out break even for my first trade. I can do that much already. But this is a good place to be. We're just letting this ride. And right now, my stop loss is attached to the 5-minute 20 MA, giving a 5-point buffer. So we can let it test it, just bounce around it. Could be one of those days it just never really goes underneath the 20 MA. I would love that to happen today because I'm going to be using it as my main support. Second entry long perhaps here. A, B, C. Just in an uptrend. May want to go long here. Second entry long. It's a little bit choppy. It doesn't really quite touch the 20 MA here. Doji bar is forming, but I'd like it to actually touch the 20 MA. Okay. I'm game. If you touch the 20 MA, I'm game. Just in the uptrend. Depends how you want to do this, though. Could be an overshoot leading to undershoot. Second entry long.
10,000 tick trap.
Doji bar. Do I like that doji? I don't like the overshoot to the undershoot. I don't like that. But I guess symmetry already happened. I hate to do it. I hate to lose a trade here, but because we're so positive. But pandas, we're gonna go for it anyways. Second entry long, strong uptrend. You can't see my entry. My entry moved up here, but it's fine. Second entry long. Let's go, baby. It just taps my target. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy money. Oh, darn. You know what sucks? Since it moved my breaking even entry up here because I entered a trade up here. Darn. You know? it doesn't look as cool. Right? You don't see how much money I'm actually making. Because I basically entered here. So it doesn't look as cool, pandas. I'm sorry. That's what sucks about doing that. But yeah, I'm making a lot more money than this, but it doesn't look as cool. What can I say? Second entry long off the 20 MA on an uptrend here. Always in long. Still the 5-minute chart. You're still always in long. Like right when that closes, guess what? People bought. No tail. Right when this closes, this is a red bar. That means it opens here and closes down here. Right? That means it closes beneath the open. So it closes here, and right when it closes, you can see that people bought it, and there's no tail here showing that it was by the close. We got 20-point profit here, pandas. I may want to take this. Pandas. Do I want to protect 20 points here? Am I being a wuss? Am I being a wuss by wanting to take 20 points? Sorry about that, pandas. We're back in action here. Action Jackson, what's going on? I feel like we're hitting some resistance here, but I'm really not scared. Like, am I scared that I might get stopped out? Like on the 5-minute chart, like if we come back to the 20 EMA, am I really scared that it's gonna really just break right through it and stop me out? Like, not really. Like, if anything, deep pull back to the 20 EMA, keep continuing to go up. That's what I'm thinking. Man, but pandas, 20 points sounds nice. Pandas, 20 points sound nice. I could take one contract. And just keep riding another one as high as I can. But 2 contracts is oh man, this is amazing. 20 points. Okay, I'm gonna protect it. I'm gonna take one contract off, and I'm gonna ride the rest for the rest of the day. I think that makes me feel better. That makes me feel better. I'll take 20 points, pandas. I mean, can you blame me for protecting myself from 20 points? I mean, you got to take some profit at 20 points, no? I mean, that's $1,000 on one contract. That's $1,000 on one contract. You can't blame me for taking that. I'm sorry if you think I'm a wuss, but you can't blame me because I still have one more contract and we're still riding it. I mean, you can't blame me for taking one contract. Protected, can you? I mean, 20 points. I mean, look at 34% of you guys voted for 20 points. 41% of you guys voted for infinite. So I'm going to appease both of you guys, and I'm going to take 20 points on one contract, infinite on the next. Let's see what happens. Yeah, hashtag save the account. Right? Hashtag save the account. Let's go, baby. We've been in a trade for like most of the day. Hey, Panda, don't forget, this is all due to Big Mama. Don't forget to thank Big Mama for all the amazing things that she has given us. Don't forget to thank your Big Mama for giving you life. Panda, I mean, we're continuing to push up here, Pandas. What can I say? Make the count green again. MAGA. It's a MAGA. We're MAGA. Hashtag MAGA. You're a genius. Who are you? Justin, you are a genius, my friend. Hey, hashtag MAGA. Make account green again. Let's go, baby. Oh, no, it's too perfect. It's just too perfect. What can I say? It's just too perfect. I'm sorry. I'm just thinking about how mad the YouTube algorithm is probably by us just hashtagging MAGA on this channel. They're probably going to ban my channel. They're probably going to shadow ban it. Hey, make account green again. That's what we're trying to do here. I'm just thinking how angry YouTube's going to be. This channel is doing hashtag MAGA right now. It's not even close to elections. Wow. Hey, pandas. This next one, 5-minute chart, we're just going to let this ride to the heavens. And we got a 5-point buffer off the 20 EMA here. So anything here pretty much is almost pretty much protect, its profit. Let's just see how high this can go at this point. I think another 20 points would be great. That gives me another $1,000. You know what? I'm going to take it another 20 here. 96, or where is it at? What's 20 points? 195.75. That puts us 195. There's another 20 points here. I'll take another 20 points here. That's another $1,000, and I think we're good. I'll be happy with that, pandas. I'll be really happy with that. I wouldn't even mind that. I mean, think about the bulls on the 5-minute chart, how much money they're making. They're just buying. This is like the most, like, if you don't believe in buy the close, hopefully this could convince you. The 5-minute chart, buy the close bulls. How do we know? Because of price action, right? When you see this bar close here, you can see the next bar opens with zero tail, not even one tick. That means they bought the close. They bought right when this candle ended. They just bought it. When this candle closed, they're buying it, and right when it closes, when this candle closes, they buy it. 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 And again, when you get up to here, right when this candle closed, guess what? They bought it. They bought the close, always in long. That's it. I mean, I don't know anything else that can convince you more than the price, pure price action that you see here. Wow. I mean, we are continuing to push up here, pandas. Like, we are just going to the heavens. We are truly going to the heavens. Imagine having like 10 contracts trading all the way up here. Just 10 contracts on Big Mama. That would be insane. That would be just crazy. Crazy. I'm happy though. I'm happy with my one contract riding to the heavens. I'm glad I protected 20 points here because it can oscillate here for a long time. It can seriously be here for an hour and then finally maybe at the end of the day push up. Right? What happens at the 5-minute chart when we're so far away from 20 MA? Sometimes goes sideways for a very long time, and then when the 20 MA catches up to the price action, it taps off of it and it'll just continue to bounce. But imagine how long we have to go sideways for in order for this 20 MA to catch up to us. It has going to be at least an hour or 2 hours. Continue to push up here, absolutely just amazing that we got a piece of this, all thanks to Big Mama over here. Big Mama. I mean, the first Big Mama fails, but guess what? The next Big Mama is a gift that keeps on giving. Let's go, baby. Hey, we're killing it right now, pandas. We're absolutely killing it. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're getting squeezed. Bears are getting squeezed right now. Ouch. Ouch. Believe it or not, pandas, there are bears selling the close here all the way through this. Can you imagine selling the close all the way through this? There are bears doing that. Absolutely mind-bending right now how high this is going. Without any virtually no pullbacks. Hooey! Hooey! Oh, man. Oh, man. I mean, I have no reason to sell. I mean, I'm just going to watch this keep going up. What can I say? I'm going to ride this till it touches my next 20-point target. I mean, that has to deserve a like, right? Pandas, make sure you scalp that like button. Also, pandas, if you don't know, next week, I won't be streaming. I won't be here. I'll be away. But I may be doing a special. I may be doing a Big Mama special where I trade only Big Mamas, and I'll trade it on the PA account just to keep it exciting. And so, you know, when PA accounts being involved, you know, it's just way more interesting. So we'll be maybe I'll start an eval. I don't know. Maybe I want to protect my PA. But I will be doing regardless, I'll be doing a 24/7 stream. I'm going to try to set it up. And I'll be doing automated trading with Big Mamas. And that will happen just throughout the whole week while I'm away. And so just stay tuned. I won't be here, but I would like to still put up content for you guys. And hopefully you guys can enjoy it. Hopefully you guys can just enjoy it. But next week I'll be gone. I won't be back till June 7th, I believe. Yep, June 7th I'll be back. And yeah, I'll just be on vacation. So, you know, pray for me and the fam that we will have a nice time off and reset that mental capital and come back, you know, just with a bigger drive to even bigger drive to trade, right, futures. Someone asked what this is. This is a S&P 500 futures emini, where every point is $50. Let's go, baby. I almost want to just end this so we can see how much profit I've made. I'm not going to end it until the 5-minute chart shows to show a reversal. I want to see a couple bear bars in a row. I want to see something to show that the 5-minute bulls are gone. They're still very much here. They're still very much here. What I want to see is a bear bar, and the bear bar will come back, retest the top of the previous bull bar, and that's where I'll come out. I'll come out then. Or maybe a super strong exhaustive move where I'll come out at the top of the exhaustive bar. When I say exhaustive bar, it needs to be huge, right? It needs to be bigger than this bar. The bar needs to be about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The bar itself must be around 10 to 12 points large. And then I'll come out at the top of a 10 to 12 point bar. Look at this. Buy the close again. Candle. Look at this. No tail under this. Bulls are just buying right away. And they're squeezing the bears right now. Squeezing them. Squeezing the life out of them. GC Berg breaking the first rule of Fight Club. But you're a panda, what can I say? I'm not going to censor you. Exactly. Justin Fats has it right. Thoughts and prayers to the bears who are always in short. They're scaling in. They're going to be busted. They're going to get margin called. Look at this 5-minute candle, panda. This full green body here. This is a special day, truly. And we're partaking in this huge move up. I'm in one contract here, and I'm feeling completely fine. I feel great. I have zero stress here. This is all pure profits right now. I have zero worries are going to come back to my entry here. Zero worries about that today. What I need to see on the 5-minute candle is just a huge bull bar, 10 to 12 points large, and I will come out exhaustive move like that. If we see a kind of bearish move, maybe 2 bear bars in a row, the next time it comes back up to retest the top of the previous candle, I'll probably come out, or the close of the previous candle. If we see a bearish move, then I'll probably come out, thinking it will just be a trading range for a very long time, and I just don't want to be in the trade. I don't want to be in just wasting my time there. But I've made a lot more money than this. It's just unfortunate because you can't tell. At least what you can see is this entry is where I entered the second entry long here. So if I held the second entry long, this is how much money I would have made. Yeah, the best part is this is a PA account of real money. I'm only negative. Oh, I'm almost negative $3,000. That's not that bad, pandas. Negative 3,000. That's like 2 big mamas. Okay, pushing down. Alright, this is the strongest bear candle we've seen in a while. We have the 20 EMA protecting us. Still Super Saiyan pandas. I mean, this is one of those. I haven't had a runner like this in a long time in stream. Maybe a couple months now. A runner this large. It's just bound to happen though, right? Sooner or later, Big Mama's going to do this to you. And it's just bound to happen. You'll get a runner like this. It's just sooner or later. We could consolidate here for a while. That could be possible. At this point in time, it's just a waiting game, and we're just gonna let this run. It's the first entry here. Continues to push up. Second entry long maybe here. Second entry long. A, B, C. Do you want to take the second entry long is a question. I'm just thinking about ending the stream so we can see a profit at the end of the stream. Pandas, don't forget to use BBM80. It ends end of the month, and so it helps. Well, not really helps, but use it while you still can, and take advantage of it while it still lasts. You can open as many evals as you want, but you're limited to 20 PA counts. I believe you can have more than that, but it'll just have to be up to Apex discretion. Second entry long here. It's a hidden second entry long. Good signal bar as well. I mean, we could just continue to keep pushing up, but there's nothing stopping us. The only thing that might stop us is the 5-minute chart being so far away from the 20 MA. We may just want to consolidate here for the next hour or two and then push up.
10,000 tick trap.
That could happen. Okay. Higher low second entry long happening here. I don't know if I like it though. Just take every second entry long. Remember, super strong bull trend. Might as well. Second entry long here. Signal bar's not good, and we're not at the 20 MA really. We're kind of underneath this channel now. Okay, pushing up, second entry long. I mean, I want to see that as a bull. The 5-minute chart showing to kind of show a pause bar here. I mean, if we can make this extra 20 points, I mean, I'm happy. I'm happy. That's a good day. What can I say? That's a really good day if we can hit this next. Pandas, amazing right now. Wow, we're just rocketing up. Second entry long does work out. Second, higher low second entry long. The thing about bulls, they're so confident because bulls know that even if they buy here, even if they bought here, even if this is a strong bear bar they bought here, they know that 20 MA will protect them. And so they can come up break even eventually. You know, that's what they're thinking. So, I mean, bulls have so much confidence. They have like safety nets underneath them. And if the safety nets break, then obviously they just come out. And they'll come out probably with a small loss overall. But they have so much confidence here. They're like, this is the day I need to make all the money that I couldn't make the last several days because the price action has been so horrible. When a day like this comes, this is where I make all my money. This is what they're trying to do. Buy, 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 buy. Bye, bye, money. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 points away from hitting our next 20-point target. I don't know if we're going to hit it during stream. I mean, I have a feeling we're going to start consolidating here. It's just a feeling, though. No other reason other than the feeling of it. Interesting, pandas. Guess what we just filled? We just filled this gap here that's been here for last 3-4 days. This gap here that was created on May 22nd. This gap just got filled. And we're bouncing off of that gap. That's what I'm seeing now. Interesting. Panda, sad to say, but next week I will be off, but we'll be streaming nevertheless, but we'll be automated trading, and I'll have this chat up. We'll do like a 24/7 thing, and it'd be nice if you guys join, and you know, it's a place where you guys can gather and talk, say stupid stuff like you guys always do, and yeah, it'd be a good time. I'll probably join the chat as well. I'll be a viewer like you on my own stream, and I'll join the chats. I just can't. I can't just talk. Another push-up, pandas. I mean, give me that strong exhausted bar on the 5-minute chart. Give me a huge move up. Give me 10 to 20. Give me 10 to 12 points on one bar to exhaust this move, and I'm out at the top of it. I'll be out at the close of it. Just give me a huge exhausted move. That'd be great. That's what I want to see right now. Just squeeze, absolutely squeeze to death. How's my count balance looking? Okay. At the end of this, we'll be about 3,000 away from the original count balance, which is about 2 big mamas. That's doable, pandas. That's very doable. I think it is. I thought we were gonna bust the account today. I thought, you know, it was gonna be bust. Boom or bust, and we ended up booming here. All thanks to Big Mama. Okay. Hey, we're still always in long. 5-minute chart. Still buy the close. They bought the close here. They're buying the close here. I just want to see a nasty, exhaustive move that just gives me 10 to 12 points. Absolutely squeezing all the bears. That's what I want to see. And that would be amazing. I'm not sure if we're going to get it, though. It seems like we might be in an area of somewhat resistance, filling that gap. Giving, you know, some people taking their profits here, it seems like, through the price action. Just give me a nice pop up here. That'd be amazing. Just to 10, 12. It has to be bigger than this candle, right? Ooh. Oh, pushing. Push! Give me my 20 points. Push! Pandas! Push! Pandas. Alright. We got a small little bar here. Small little bar. Give me trap trade or just keep pushing up. Trap trade or keep pushing up. Pandas, give me some peas. Give me some peas in the chat. Let him cook! 40-point trade, pandas. 40-point trade we're talking about. 40 points. That's $2,000 on one contract. Push! Let him cook! Let him cook! We need a strong push-up, pandas. No. No, this is the wrong way. This is the wrong way. Let him cook! Let him cook! Pandas. 40-point trade. 40-point trade, pandas. Push. Push! Come on. For the stream. Pandas! Let him cook! Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Just need 4 more points. 4 more points, pandas. Come on. Come on, don't do that to me. Squeeze. Squeeze the bears. Squeeze them. Let him cook! No! Whoa, what was that? Pandas! Pandas! What happened? What happened? Pandas, what happened? Oh no! Second entry long. But pandas, what was that? Did anyone see that? What was that? What was that? Oh no! Oh no, are we reversing here? Should I just take my profits? Should I just take my profits? What was that? What was that? I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. No! The trap triggers. What is this? No! What's happening? What? What is happening, pandas? No! No! It's reversing. That's a reverse setup. That's a reversal. I don't want to see a reversal right now. No, I don't want to see a reversal. First pullback will be small on the 5-minute chart. We haven't had a pullback yet, but with a strong reversal looking candle like this, ooh, this could push down pretty hard. Right, that's a nice reversal candle right off the previous gap that was just filled. Ooh, that's not good. I don't know. Ooh, I don't know about that. I may just want to get out here. I may want to get out here. Not because I don't think it's going to keep going up. I just feel like it'll be a while until we come back up now. This is scary, right? This is a reversal pattern, and it happened right at a resistance. And you got breakup trend to new high. Ooh. And when we saw this candle, I don't know if you saw it, but just like smashed to the downside and then triggered a trap. Trap already makes a scalp. I think we have one more push up though. I don't think the market will reverse on a dime like that. It should give us one more test, one more push up here, I think. I think, personally. Huh. It'll probably come up here to break even. So I'm thinking. If we can even get to it. Give myself one tick here. We can get out.
10,000
Pandas. Pandas. I'm out. I'm out. Pandas, I'm out. What a trade. What a trade. I was down 2,500 and now I'm up $1,133. Let's go, baby. Pandas. The power of Big Mama. Absolutely insane. And we just came out here at break even. When we saw this big reversal candle, we just come out break even here. And it is what it is. If it continues to go up, that's the story. And that's just what will happen. But I'm out, pandas. And it's the end of the stream. Pandas. Super Saiyan all day today. That's a great feeling. It's been a while since we saw a 25 plus point runner. It's a 30 point runner essentially. Amazing, pandas. We guys witnessed it together. Let's go, baby. Pandas. Feels good. Feels amazing. All right, pandas. Hey, next week I'll be off stream. Sadly, we're getting some momentum here, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta take your break. So I'll see you guys back on June 7th. But we'll be streaming nevertheless on Monday. I'm gonna try to set up so we do automated trading and we can have this stream up. And I would love to, continue to chat with you guys and yeah, continue to, I guess, trade automatically. But you guys will be here together. So I just won't be able to talk. It'll be a muted stream. So pandas, hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream today. Make sure you scalp that like button and sub if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday with the automated trading, and then live on June 7th. So pray for me, my fam, that we have a good vacation, and I'll see you guys soon. All right, everyone. Trade safe, everybody. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.
5-minute trap.